Hey ladies, so I'm just going through the Lumenswap functionality feature, how you set it up. And the reason that I would do this is just responding to your questions and your thoughts around, some of you are not really enjoying the Lobster app and the energy in there. And I really feel for the Stellar Network coins, for an app like Lobster, you really need to be creating some energy. And I think what happens is that people don't see there, because there's nothing else. It's very difficult you've got to go into each individual asset to see the graphs and things like that, to see the movement. And I think that people who, if you prefer to work on the desktop, I think you'll enjoy this. So let me just share my screen. So same with, Lobster, you can access all the Stellar Network coins on here. So this is lumenswap.io. So this is the main web page. This is where you launch the app from. So it's an open source client. So client being, on your personal computer. So you just launch the app here. And you can see very user-friendly, very simple. There's not a lot of complexity there. So you've just got your Stellar Network coins. You can add an asset. Okay, so you can add a custom asset. So I'll go through that with you on some private training. You'll notice that the spot area as well, where you can trade. And again, so you'll need a wallet, which what we'll be using is an extension because you're using the desktop, because rather than using an app, we'll use a client, one of these added. So the one that so if you just launch that again, I'll just show you the one that I've used. So you can connect wallet, and you've got an option here, the Rabbit, the Freighter, the Alberto, and the private key. I personally enjoy the Rabbit in terms of the layout. You can see it's quite user-friendly. At the moment, I've asked if they've got a Brave extension. At the moment, I can only see Chrome. So I've downloaded the extension. So you just click Chrome extension. And then it would say download Chrome for Chrome. Here, if I already have it, so I can remove it from there. And there's a great video there that just takes you through, if you click on that, on how to use that, and it takes you through to YouTube. The other thing is, as well, Lumenswap is actually on Twitter, their main page, so good to follow them, and so that you can keep up to date on all the videos. And so you've just installed that and you connect your wallet. I've already got it saved up here, but for some reason it's not coming up. So you can see it's up here. Okay, cool. There I am. So there's my wallet. Okay, so yeah, I feel like you'd really enjoy this if you're just looking to quickly trade swap, in a really user-friendly manner, and not wanting all the other noise and not sure what tokens to get and things like that. I think, if you're adding the asset, you're making sure that you've got the correct contract address and things like that. So we can go into more detail. But yeah, just let me know. I'd love to get your feedback on whether you would enjoy that way to hold and store and trade your Stellar assets rather than using the Lobster app. I mean, I personally love both. No fees on Lobster. It's fantastic. So I'm starting to learn the Lumenswap, I guess, the concept, the functionality, what else they're going to be doing. And yeah, as I learn more, I'll share more.